Hi, I'm Madison Carson, and this is my B298 Internship Presentation. I moved to Pocatello in August 2015. I started looking for jobs in June. While on the Labor of Idaho website, I came across a bookkeeping position at Altran. I applied for the job and was hired. I plan on working here beyond school, and I am able to intern here with added duties and responsibilities. It has been a great learning opportunity. My basic job includes accounts payables and receivables, payroll, new hire paperwork, tax filing for federal and state, including sales tax withholding, 941s and yearly 940s and 967s. My work is done mainly using QuickBooks. Last year, I completed a course and am now a certified QuickBooks operator. For my internship project, I have updated the weekly gross for transmission and automotive shops. This slide shows an example of my daily work. In the left top corner shows a customer invoice. They are entered into the computer and originals are given back to the respective shops. On the bottom it shows a stamp and letters. These tell my shop managers when I receive the invoice, if it's QuickBooks entered, if it's paid, and the gross is accounted for. In the middle is a file drawer which is filled with vendor bills that are paid. On the right is a temporary filed bill waiting to be paid. For my project, I updated and created a spreadsheet to add all of gross sales. The left and middle pictures show how the old way was, both in pencil. On the right is an example of the updated look. I am going to open the Excel spreadsheet now and show you the new system. So in this spreadsheet, the first page is the weekly gross. As it shows, there's the odd amount and the tran amount. Next is the gross report summary. It keeps things by track by months and by quarter and eventually by the year. Next is a yearly comparison, and it shows 2016 to 2018, and it keeps it by quarters and eventually by year as well. So then we can kind of know and gauge where we think we should be. So a couple of these numbers are not showing because this has been downloaded off of the work computer and some of the information is not showing. Last year, the business was sold to the current automotive manager. So I went ahead and I digitized all of the previous information from the previous owner. And I did a yearly average, quarter average, and just kind of an idea of where he thinks a good would be. I apologize for the noises that you can hear. I am a wife, I'm a mother, and it seems like no matter what I do, I can't get away from somebody making noise. But in the end, this internship has been very good for me. I plan on staying here as long as I can work, and I really appreciate the opportunity I've had.